Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back once again to Fat Cat Collections. I want to do another quick video review of a product sent to me a couple weeks ago. I just didn't get around to filming the video. I just wanted to kind of think about where I wanted to place these. And to be honest with you, I just kind of forgot about it. So anyway, this is another awesome LED RGB spotlight for your home, backyard, garage, wherever you want to add some pretty cool, colorful lighting. So this is the box. You guys know I never really get too involved in showing off the box, but it's just amazing what things cost now when it comes to LED lighting. I mean, stuff like this would have been so expensive years ago. That's the box. Here is the light. Now, this is a 4-pack, and I want to thank Onforu for their generosity in sending me this. Yes, the company is called Onforu. I think this is one of the better named companies of some of the ones I've worked with. It kind of is catchy, Onforu. I mean, the lights will be on for you, right? So anyway, I have reviewed a lot of these lights. I've used a lot of these lights, and I gotta tell you, they're all pretty darn good. What I love about this is the price point. This right now, you get $8 off, and it's $60 for a 4-pack. So, I mean, that's just a fantastic price. 15 bucks a light. You really can't go wrong. If you're looking to add some pretty cool, colorful lighting, again, to your backyard, to your garage, what I've done in a couple of these, I mounted these up near my garage door opener where I have an outlet right in the ceiling. I hooked them up to a smart switch, and when I'm working out, whatever, I can kind of crank up the music, get the lights flashing, kind of like a little bit of a disco or a dance club, and it just, I don't know, it just gives me a really cool kind of fun vibe, you know. So let's talk a little bit more about the wattage, obviously listed right on the lens. These are 20-watt lights. They have an infrared receiver right in the middle of the light itself, and you have IP66 water resistance. They call it waterproofing. I always like to use the word water resistance. Nice, I'd say about 3-foot commercial style outdoor weatherproof cord, more of like your extension cord or like an appliance cord, kind of like, I believe this is more of like an acrylic or some sort of glass lens. So as far as, you know, there's not really too much else to say about it other than the functions. They do come with the remote control, and I believe, if I remember correctly, this came with 4 remote controls. You get 1 for each. What I like to do with something like this is get a label of some sort, and I've been meaning to do this. I've done it on some, but I have a lot of lights. You know, when you have a lot of smart home tech, especially some of the less expensive stuff that isn't like Wi-Fi enabled, you get a lot of remotes, and a lot of the remotes are pretty much universal. They're very similar as far as the look, and so you forget what goes where. So invest in like a Harbor Freight engraver, or just get some labels and label these things. It'll be a lot easier for you. So you have your standard functions. I'm not going to get involved too much in telling you about the remote. It does come with the battery, it comes with the remote. It allows you to dim the brightness, turn the lights on or off, which is great because one thing I like to do is I've been using this in my office kind of up against kind of the wall, highlighting a painting I have. And so I use it just for, like, again, ambiance, you know, kind of a cool light, kind of a cool vibe. I use, again, 2 in the garage, 1 here in my office, and then 1 downstairs, kind of tucked behind this kind of fake plant I have. Gives kind of some cool glow and some nice shadows. I actually have a couple more of these by a different brand outside, shining up at my house. It makes the whole house kind of turn blue or whatever color you want to add. It looks really cool. It gives you a lot of festivity, and they're awesome, and they're so affordable nowadays. So again, $8 off, 24-key IR remote. You can change the brightness. I think there's 3 settings for the brightness. You have obviously a slew of colors, you know, red, blue, green. Now you can't individually dial in the colors. You're kind of limited to these colors on here, which is, you know, pretty much a standard on what you're going to get on most RGB LEDs. Only downside to a lot of the RGB LED lights that I've reviewed, most of them, you're not going to get a really great warm white light out of these. You're going to get something more of like a bright white light. If you start trying to get more of the warmer light, you're going to start to approach red and orange or yellow. It doesn't really get that nice, perfectly dialed in warm white. So if that's something you're really looking for, this probably isn't your brand. But every other color, you're good to go. Again, that IP66 water resistance. You have the bracket, which is attached. This is removable if you did want to remove it for whatever reason. Again, I've mounted these kind of sideways against the back of my house, shining up. They look really cool. In the garage, they're shining kind of on my pegboard. They're great. They're great quality. They work well, and they only draw 20 watts. They put out a lot of illumination as well. Now, I don't know exactly the lumens he's put out. It's not listed on the listing, but I will put the link in description, where you can just go to the ad, go to the Amazon listing, and read more about them. Now, Onforu has a whole slew of different products. If you're not interested in the 4-pack, they have, I believe they have single packs. You have 20 watt, you get 100 watt if you're looking for a lot of brightness. You have outdoor security lights, 2-packs, 4-packs, white lights with packs, rope lights. They have a whole slew of different lighting products. And again, I've used their products for a while now, and I'm definitely impressed with what you get for your money. A lot of bang for your buck. And again, it's a really fun way for anybody who has a home, or even if you have an apartment and you want to just add some flair to it, add some color. Again, I love stuff like this in the backyard because summertime comes around. It's, you know, I have all the lights on, and you get barbecue out there at night. It's well lit. It's very festive, very colorful, and it's just a lot of fun. So anyway, guys, let me know if I can help you guys in any way. Again, I want to thank Onforu for the generosity again in sending me some cool products to review. It's always fun when I get. I know you guys, I have a lot of LED lights. I mean, they're everywhere. Any little nook and cranny, little ledge I can add a strip light to, or a cool RGB light, I do. It's like Miami Vice. Somebody said Miami Vice. You know, hey, I take it as a compliment. Miami Vice dance club vibe. I remember being a younger dude and always having, like, before LEDs were around, you get like the inexpensive black lights. I remember, I'm not gonna go too far here, but I remember like having chicks over and stuff like that. This is when I lived at home, like as a young dude, you know, and just have like a movie, you know, we'd like Netflix and chill, right? Have like the black light glow and go into the clubs, like, I don't know, just everybody looked dope. I remember that movie Belly. I don't know if you guys have seen the movie Belly with DMX, and they were walking with like, I know I'm going off on a tangent here, but they're having like the alligator jacket and just like the contacts that were glowing. Just as a young 19-year-old, I mean, that's what we did as 19-year-olds. You know, we want to hit the club and meet chicks. I mean, that's what we did. So anyway, yeah, I can add a little of that fun to my home now as an adult, as a mature, grown adult. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video and making it through to the end. If you did, I hope you did. If you have any questions whatsoever, I'm always here to help you guys. Drop me a comment, drop me an email, give the video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't like the content. Either way, I'm going to keep doing my thing. And you guys have a wonderful evening. Take care.